My name is Twan Altena and I am an application engineer at De Hoek van Kerosi. So here's a short recap about PECM versus other techniques. PECM offers design freedom beyond traditional techniques. With PECM we have no heat-induced zone, no microcracks, no contamination from other materials, and we are able to achieve a high-quality surface finish. But still, there are some limitations and challenges about the process. If there are any questions regarding the machinability of a part or any other questions regarding the process, please contact us so you can be advised by one of our specialists. I would like to thank you for your attention and interest in the PECM technique. I will hope to see you later at De Hoek. Goodbye.